Hello everyone, this is video of part 3 magnetic effects of electric current. So in this part we will discuss about pattern of the magnetic field generated by current carrying conductors having different shapes. Let's see. So the pattern of magnetic field generated by a current carrying conductor means जिस जो अपने इसके through current flow होने दे depends on its shape, whether it is a wire or loop or solenoid. Current carrying conductors having different shapes produce different magnetic field pattern. अलग अलग shape होगा तो उसका magnetic field की pattern भी अलग होगी. As we have seen in the bar magnet, pattern was if the magnet is like this, north and south pole, pattern was from north pole it was coming here and it was making a close loop like that. So here the pattern was this, but in different shape pattern will be different. So we will study here three kind of pattern, like through a straight conductor, through a circular loop, and in a solid. Let's see. First of all, we will discuss about magnetic field due to a straight current carrying conductor. Here you can see a straight current carrying conductor in the form of wire, and it is going from up to down. Current, what is the direction of current from up to down? A magnetic field you will get like that. This is the pattern of magnetic field if a current carrying wire is coming here. So what we have to do, what we will see here we will see an experiment. Take a sheet of stiff but smooth rectangular cardboard. This is your smooth rectangular cardboard. Pierce a hole through its center. This is your hole. Now place the cardboard horizontally and pass a long straight thick wire. This is your thick wire vertically straight through the hole. Now connect, what you have to connect? You have to connect a ammeter, rheostat, battery and a key. What is the work of rheostat? Just to get a vary resistance जो vary करे, and vary resistance vary करेगा तो आपको current भी different amount में मिलेगा. Sprinkle some iron filings uniformly as we have seen in the previous experiment. Here also you have to sprinkle iron filings on the sheet. Okay. So on the cardboard, close the key and allow the current to pass through the conducting wire. जैसे ही उससे current pass होगा आप जानते हो कि magnetic field generate होगी. Now gently if you will tap the cardboard, it is observed that iron filings arrange themselves in a concentric circle. As you can see, this is arrange themselves in a form in the shape of concentric circles and around the copper wire. If a small compass needle is placed on the cardboard near the wire, the direction in which the north pole of the needle points give the direction of the magnetic field at that point produced by the electric current through the straight wire at point P. Here, this is point P. If the current in the wire flows on the downward direction, here you can see the current is flowing in the downward direction. So then the direction of magnetic field lines is clockwise. So we will see this is a clockwise direction. घड़ी की सुई के घूमने की direction. And when it will go from down to up, it will be opposite direction, anti-clockwise. In this direction, current magnetic field lines direction will be anti-clockwise. So this is your experiment, magnetic field due to a straight current carrying conductor. Both cases we have seen direction of current, the magnetic field anti-clockwise and clockwise. Here what we have discussed, the magnetic field produced by a straight conductor. Here you can see in the picture, the current is going from downward to up direction and the direction is anti-clockwise. Now the question is, what is the properties of these magnetic field lines? So magnetic field lines are concentric circles. Circle के form में होता है when there is a straight current carrying conductor. The direction of magnetic lines reverse as we reverse the direction of the current. When current flows upward, the direction of magnetic field line is anti-clockwise. When current flows downward, the direction of magnetic field line is clockwise. The magnetic field produced is directly proportional to the current and inversely proportional to the distance of the conductor. Means I by R. To know the direction of magnetic field around the straight conductor, we have different sets of rules as given below. How you will get the direction of magnetic field around a straight conductor? Right hand thumb rules. With the help of right hand thumb rule, you will get to know the direction, whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Right hand thumb rule, suppose you grasp the conductor in your right hand such that the thumb point in the direction of current. Means if current is going here, your thumb should be upward, down to work. Your thumb will be here and fingers direction will be like this. Right hand thumb rule. So it is going up, then finger is going like that. Means anti-clockwise. Fingers direction you can see here. This is direction of fingers and this is your thumb. आप दोनों इसको करके देखिएगा with your right hand. You will get the direction of current. Here in the picture you can see the right hand thumb rule as it is going up. The fingers direction is here, means it is showing anti-clockwise direction. But as thumb is down, in downward direction, it is showing a clockwise direction. Means currents are moving like this. This is clockwise direction. So, magnetic field produced due to a circular loop. Now this is our second pattern. Magnetic field produced around a circular loop is also circular. As we move away from the loop, the concentric circles becomes bigger. At the center, magnetic lines are parallel, like this. Two concentric circles. So how to detect the direction of magnetic field lines when the current is passing through a circular loop? Loop means if it is making a loop like this. This is your loop. Okay, or like that. It is passing through a cardboard and this is your magnetic field line. These circles, concentric circles, are magnetic field lines. Through both and you will get a different magnetic fields line. Now for this, take a rectangular cardboard having two holes M and N. Take a circular wire as you can see in the picture. Large number of turns in the form of a loop or coil and pass it through the hole M and N in the cardboard. There is not only one, you can make a large number of loop also, coil, turns. Connect to a free end of the loop in series with the battery. Free end with series with the battery you have to connect. Here is your battery. This is your battery. Your loop is connecting here with the rheostat and here key. For rheostat, for varying current and a key. Sprinkle some iron filings on the cardboard. You may use a salt sprinkle. When the electric current is passed through the loop by closing the key and the cardboard is gently tapped, it will arrange themselves in a form of concentric circle, as you can see here in the picture. As these are iron filings and they themselves arrange in a form of a concentric circle, representing the magnetic field lines due to current carrying loop. Here you can see if the current is coming from here, direction of current, if direction of current is here, see the condition. If current is passing from this point, current is passing through it, going inside, means it is going here it is, what is the direction of current? From down to up. Down to up means from the right hand rule, down, if it will go down to up, then it will go anti-clockwise. And here it is going from up to down, here the direction is clockwise direction. So simple, it is simple. If it is, you are making the loop, how you will come to know the magnetic field around any circular loop. The magnetic lines are circular at the points where the current enters the coil. These are the properties. Within the space enclosed by the coil, the field lines are in the same direction. Near the center of the coil, the magnetic lines are almost parallel to each other. At the center of the coil, the plane of magnetic field lines is at right angles to the plane of the circular loop. It is in the right angle. Magnetic field produced is directly proportional to the current and inversely proportional to the distance from the conductor. The part from where the magnetic field lines enter the coil facing us is considered as south pole and other is north pole. So, current flowing clockwise is south and current flowing anti-clockwise is north. Simple. Remember this thing, current flowing clockwise, then the direction is south, current flowing anti-clockwise, direction is north. You can remember this by simple. South, if you will make, it will go clockwise, and north anti-clockwise. Now, thank you.